y no te deja aquí a caminar. ¿Quién puede parar eso que al bailar descontrola tus caderas? Y ese fuego que quema por dentro y lento te convierte en fiera. La mano arriba, cintura sola, da media vuelta y sacude duro. No te quites ahora, que tú solo empiezas. Mueve la cabeza y sacude duro.
What the heck?
Just put it on before you go in, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Oh.
Look at that Supra. That's cool. Wow, look at that. Take pictures. This thing's crazy. I like that. I like when there's a black car with those wheels. They always look good. I always like them. Only on black cars though. Look at, that thing has a turbo. A big old turbo. They're selling shoes. Oh, I've seen this guy. Look at that. Look at that. Sorry. Look at this. Oh look, it's an Integra Type R. Wow, look how fat those things are. These are crazy. Look at that. Carbon fiber. It's on the right side too. It's crazy. Alright, go to the front. I'll wrap around. Yeah, it's just not. Oh, that thing's crazy. Look at that. I think it's crazy. my god, look at this line.
What? I'm not saying I like those wheels.
Oh yeah, these are nice. They're a fit. Sheesh. Look at that. Oh, I didn't even see that. Wow. Look at the roses. Wow, this thing's crazy. Dishes. Look at those lights. I think it's crazy. Oh, I took pictures of this guy. This XXL STI. He's back. Shout out my boy. Oh my god. It's crazy. It's another one? Oh, look at his wheels. He is war ready for sure. Oh, I got this guy too. Look at his little... He usually has an S2000 friend that's like... Wow, look at this. Yeah, I think so. It's crazy. Look at the seats. What the? That's funny.
We'll end up over here.
Yeah, look at that. It's cool. We do a photo shoot in the NSX. The sickest. It's so nice. Oh look, I found the cord. There's Katana on deck. Oh wow, this is whoa, look at that.
They foam everything out.
Like it's all gutted.
That thing has a lot of cars.
God. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, look at that super. That thing's crazy. All right, Chef. Quick little walk around. Just pointed at random stuff. You could kind of, I need to take pictures.
Recording?
Yeah, just pointed at random stuff, I could cut it up. This thing is so nice. Thank you. I appreciate it. Pretty cool. What'd you think about it?
No, that's okay. Wasn't that bad. Wasn't that great either.
But he said it was cool. Cool cars. Don't see a lot of those, I guess, daily.